He didn't know he had a hole in his pocket until he checked. A week after his sleepless night, Amit finally gathered courage to open his spending tracker again. As he scrolled through the list, the numbers blurred softly on the screen. He wasn't broke because he didn't earn enough. He was broke because his money kept escaping, one small decision at a time. In the quiet of his room, his phone buzzed faintly on the desk. Each ping, a small reminder of how comfort had quietly turned into leakage.
At work, Amit overheard a conversation in the pantry. Someone complaining about being broke again before month's end. Same here, bro. I spent half my salary on food apps. Amit smiled quietly. It wasn't just him. Everyone was bleeding money. That evening, he sat at his desk with a blank notebook and wrote two words at the top: needs and noise. Under needs, he listed things that truly mattered: rent, electricity, groceries, fuel. Under noise, the list grew faster: takeout food, impulse buys, paid apps, even that monthly self-care splurge that never really helped. The difference was painful. Needs kept him alive, but noise kept him busy, buying distractions that vanished in a day. He stared at the pages and realized his money wasn't being spent, it was being scattered. By the fifth page, he whispered to himself, "This isn't life, it's leakage."
The more Amit looked, the more uncomfortable he felt. You can't build wealth until you stop the leaks. But the leaks weren't just in his wallet, they were in his lifestyle. Every comfort was temporary. Every reward he gave himself left him emptier the next day. He realized something strange. Every rupee he spent was chasing a feeling: relief, escape, belonging. Money wasn't leaking by accident. It was leaking through emotions he didn't understand yet. He sat back and whispered softly, "I am not spending money. I am spending peace." That's when the awareness settled in. Until I know where it goes, I'll never know how to grow.
Late that night, Amit closed his notebook. No solutions, no action plan, just silence. But for the first time, he could see the invisible problem. His finances weren't just numbers anymore. They were habits, patterns, leaks that looked harmless, but together they formed a hole deep enough to trap a lifetime. He looked at the page and drew one small sketch: a bucket with cracks dripping coins. He wrote underneath it, "Awareness is not enough. The next step is discipline." And as he switched off the light, he didn't know it yet, but the next challenge waiting for him was debt. Have you ever felt that money just disappears even when you plan everything right? You're not alone. We all carry invisible leaks. Tonight, take just a few minutes for yourself. Write down your everyday spends, then make two columns: needs and noise. You'll be surprised how loud the noise really is. Because wealth doesn't disappear, it leaks quietly. In the next episode, Amit learns the harsh truth about comfort bought on credit. Stay tuned for episode 3, The Debt Trap. If you've ever chased comfort at the cost of peace, share your story in the comments. Like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. The next realization might just change how you see debt forever.